Good day, viewers. Welcome to Afris Concept TV, your number one reliable channel where you get updated and enlightened on what is happening around you. I appreciate you for the time spent while watching and viewing our channel. So if you are new on this channel, don't forget to click on the subscribe button as well as the bell button to get updated whenever I drop any video. Trending news: Igbo youth drove 8 men from Southeast Forest. The youth wing of Ohanaeze Ndigbo on Saturday said that it would drive out killer herdsmen from the forest in all the 95 local government areas in the southeast. The President General of the Ohanaeze Ndigbo Youth Council Worldwide, Okechukwu Isiguzoro, said that the decision was necessitated by the killing of the Catholic priest Reverend Father Paul Ofu by suspected herdsmen along the Ire-Ogbodu Road in Agu local government, Enugu State. He alleged that there was plans to kill more church leaders in the southeast, urging that steps should be taken to avert the impending situation. Isiguzoro urged Igbo youth, all Biafran agitators, and volunteer security groups to enter the forest to drive out killer herdsmen from the southeast. He said he was shocked to read about the murder of a Catholic priest, Reverend Father Paul Ofu, who was shot dead by hoodlums suspected to be the notorious and murderous criminal herdsmen along Ire-Ogbodu Road in Akwa local government area on August 1st, 2019. This is a calculated but provocative actions with evil intent aimed at rubbishing the proposed establishment of forest guard and community neighbors watched by the southeast governors. With the rising tension in the southeast Nigeria, it is time for us to drive out all the remnants of killer herdsmen hiding in all the forest reserve areas across the 95 local government areas of the southeast. This is a clarion call to Igbo youth, all Biafran agitators and volunteer groups to do the needful across the bushes and forest in the search of the killer herdsmen in the southeast to drive them out. These volunteer youths will serve as temporary forestry guidesmen until we pressurize the southeast governors to find them. Their mandate will be to take decisive actions against any armed herdsmen found, and they should be handed over to security agents. The Ohanaeze youth also called on the federal government, especially the office of the Vice President, to protect Christians all over the country. Thank you, viewers, for listening to this news. What do you think about the decisions of the youth wing of the Ohanaeze Ndigbo? The decision of driving out the killer herdsmen from the forests and all the 95 local government areas in the southeast. If you have any comments on these decisions made by Ohanaeze Ndigbo Youth Wing, kindly drop your comments below. Click on the subscription button as well as the bell button to get updates whenever I publish any video. Thank you and have a wonderful day.